Picture windows are more than just a beautiful design feature, they're an investment that brings lasting comfort, beauty, and value to your Rockford home. Known for their wide, unobstructed views and energy-saving design, picture windows are becoming a top choice among homeowners who want to enhance both their living spaces and long-term property value. Whether your home overlooks a wooded yard, a quiet neighborhood street, or Rockford's scenic natural surroundings, picture windows offer benefits you'll appreciate for years. Here's a closer look at why installing picture windows is one of the smartest long-term upgrades for Rockford residents. Stunning, unobstructed views that elevate your living space. One of the biggest reasons Rockford homeowners choose picture windows is their ability to showcase stunning outdoor scenery. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, picture windows feature a single, large pane of glass with no grills or sashes to interrupt your view. This offers major long-term advantages: a deeper connection to your outdoor surroundings, enhanced natural light in every season, a more open, spacious feel inside your home, a timeless architectural feature that never goes out of style. Whether you enjoy leafy fall colors, snowy winter scenes, or bright summer landscapes, picture windows transform your living space into a scenic retreat. Superior energy efficiency helps you save year after year. Rockford experiences cold winters, warm summers, and everything in between. Picture windows are fixed, non-operable, which means they seal tightly and offer some of the best insulation of any window style. Efficiency features include double or triple pane glass low-E coatings that reflect heat, argon or krypton gas fills thick, energy-efficient frames because they don't open. Picture windows eliminate air leaks and drafts, reducing heating and cooling costs. Over time, this energy savings adds up, making picture windows a financially smart investment. Increased property value and strong buyer appeal. If you plan to sell your Rockford home in the future, picture windows can provide a noticeable boost in resale value. Today's buyers look for homes with great natural light, energy-efficient features, and modern design elements, all qualities picture windows offer. Home value benefits include better listing photos and online appeal, a more modern interior appearance, attractive, updated exterior styling, energy-efficient upgrades that appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Simply put, picture windows make your home more competitive in the real estate market. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Compared to windows with moving parts, picture windows require very little maintenance. Because they don't slide, swing, or tilt, there is minimal hardware to inspect or replace. Long-term durability advantages: fewer mechanical issues, less opportunity for wear and tear, stronger, more stable frame integrity over time, easy cleaning with simple glass cleaners. This simplicity means your picture windows will look beautiful and operate flawlessly for decades with minimal upkeep. Better lighting and improved indoor comfort. Picture windows flood your home with natural sunlight, something that benefits both your mood and your energy use. More natural light means fewer lamps and lower electricity usage throughout the day. Additional comfort benefits: reduced reliance on artificial lighting, more even room temperatures when paired with low-E glass, enhanced ambiance and warmth during colder seasons. Picture windows make your home feel brighter, cozier, and more inviting year-round. Versatile designs that fit any Rockford home. From classic ranch homes to modern builds, picture windows can be customized to complement any architectural style. Popular design options include floor-to-ceiling picture windows, arched or geometric shapes, combinations with casement or slider windows, narrow vertical or wide horizontal layouts. This flexibility ensures your picture windows fit seamlessly into your home's personality and design. Final thoughts: installing picture windows in your Rockford home is an investment with lasting rewards, beauty, comfort, efficiency, and value. With their expansive views, superior insulation, minimal maintenance, and strong buyer appeal, picture windows offer long-term benefits that enhance both your lifestyle and your home's market potential.